Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is for Barrier College DHA, Class 10 Federal Board, Subject Biology, Chapter Coordination and Control, Topic Types of Coordination. Prepared by Ms. Mahvish Kanwal. Body coordination have two types, nervous system and endocrine system. And nervous system is further classified into two types, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand about types of coordination. Types of coordination. There are two types of coordination, nervous coordination and chemical coordination. Nervous coordination occurs through nervous system and chemical coordination occurs through endocrine system. Coordinated actions. Coordinated actions has 5 components: stimulus, receptor, coordinator, effector and response. Nervous system pathway. Stimulus is detected by receptors which carry information from central nervous system, that is brain or spinal cord, which stimulates by effector, that is muscles and glands. Stimulus, any change in environment, that is internal or external, which can provoke a response in organisms, for example heat, cold, pressure, sound waves, microbial infections, etc. Receptors, the organ or tissues or cells which are specifically built to detect particular type of stimuli are called receptors. For example, sound waves are detected by ears, light is detected by eyes, chemicals are detected by nose, etc. Coordinators. These are the organs that receives information from receptors and send messages to particular organs for proper action. For example, hormones of endocrine gland. Effectors. These are the parts of body which receives messages from coordinator and produce particular response. For example, in nervous coordination, nerves carry messages from brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands. Response. After receiving messages from coordinator, the effector perform action, which is called response. For example, pulling out hand away from something very hot. Home task. Question number 1. Write types of coordination. Question number 2. Briefly describe coordinated action. Thank you for your cooperation. Allah Hafiz.